Hey guys, it's Dan here, and it's about 7 o'clock on Wednesday, so I'm running real late on getting my cast iron Wednesday out. But I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of making stuffed peppers using your grill. So give me a second, get a few of my ingredients, I'll be right back. Alright, first thing I have 1 pound of, this is 80/20 ground beef, and I'm going to get it all browned up. I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt on it. Some black pepper. And just to kick it up a little bit of a notch, I'm going to use your Slap Your Mama. Alright, let me get this browned up and I'll be right back. Alright, this is about halfway done. So what I'm going to do, I got 1 whole sweet onion, a Vidalia, and I'm going to put it in here. And like I said, this is simple, easy. You can do it on your stove top in the house, or you can do it on a grill like I'm doing. The reason I'm not cooking in a Dutch oven today, number one, I really didn't have a whole lot of time. And number two, I just wanted to show you guys that you don't have to make every meal in a Dutch oven, even though I make a lot of mine. If you don't own a Dutch oven, there's still a lot of good recipes and everything that you can do. So let me get these onions sweated down pretty good, and I'll be back with you here in just a few minutes. Alright, these onions are about halfway done. The meat's browning up nicely. Just put another layer of flavor on. I'm going to go ahead and lightly salt everything again, and that'll help finish off the onions. And then I really like my pepper and everything, so we're going to put a little pepper. If you like spices or anything, right now would be a good time to put some green chilies in, but since I'm out on the houseboat and I left them in town at the house, tonight I won't have green chilies in there. And then I'm just going to add another little touch of this Slap Your Mama. Get that all stirred together nicely. I've got my grill preheating to 350 degrees. I'm getting ready to put my peppers in to soften them up. I'll show you that here in just a few minutes. Alright, now to finish this recipe off, I got 1 can of tomatoes to go in here, and I bought the ones that already have the basil, garlic, and oregano in there. That way I didn't have to pack those seasonings out to the boat with me. I'm going to get this all stirred together, and then when everything cooks down real good, I'll be ready to stuff the peppers. Here in just a second, I'm going to show you how I get the peppers ready and everything. Man, this is smelling delicious. Alright, I got my grill running right at 350 degrees. I got my 12-inch chef pan in there. I sprayed down some canola oil. How I'm doing these peppers tonight, so you don't have to use an oven or anything, or my Dutch oven, is I cut them in half this way, and I'll fill them up. But I just want them to soften up, and I'm going to lay them the cup side down, because I don't want to char this side yet, because I'll have to be cooking them and melting the cheese here in just a little bit. But I've got a red, a yellow, and an orange. You can pick any colors you want. But I'm just going to let these sit in here, let it run about 350 while my other mixture reduces down, and then I'll show you how I stuff everything. Alright, my filling for these have come together real nicely. So let me turn these. These have softened pretty good. You can see there's a little bit of char mark on them. That's Make these sweet as get out. Of course, out here on the boat I have the cheapest pair of tongs they sell, so how about I pause this for a second so you guys don't have to see me struggle on this. Alright, I got them all turned. Just going to take a slotted spoon, drain a little bit of that grease off, and pour a little bit of it in the grill. I guess I will have a little bit of cleanup to do, but it is what it is. It's what I love about cooking outside. If I have to clean up a little bit, I have to clean up a little bit. But I'm just going to sit here and I'm going to fill all 6 of these all the way to the top with as much as I can get in them. I'll be right back in just a second. Alright, I was actually able to get all that mixture in those 6, minus a little bit that went on the grill or whatnot, but they're stuffed to the top. So the next thing I'm going to do is I've got pepper jack cheese slices. And I'm just going to cover each one with a slice of pepper jack cheese. And when that cheese is fully melted and everything, we'll be calling it done. Alright, let's take a look, see what we got. Oh, that cheese is just bubbly, gooey. I'm going to call these done. Everything looks super soft to the touch. I'm going to plate one of these up. I'll be back with my taste test and everything. If you guys like the videos I do, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I enjoy doing these cooks. Like I said, tonight's I decided to do this one to show you that anybody with a grill, you don't even have to have these cast iron pans, can do a good cook, good and easy. I've been at this for about 35-40 minutes from prep time to done. So it is super easy. Well, I'll be back with my taste test. I apologize everybody for the sun in my face. I really couldn't find a good spot to sit at to film my taste test. I'm out here on the houseboat this evening, actually on my mom and dad's houseboat, but this is what it looks like. It just smells phenomenal, looks great. Emma, I got my napkin in my pocket again. I'm glad you truly appreciate me doing that. I love it. And I apologize for not putting any red pepper flake in here, because I know according to your dad you like it when I put red pepper flake in. But let me see. Oh, this is fork tender. No knife needed. I don't know if you guys... Ooh, it's so fork tender it just fell right off the fork. So let me get that back on there. You gotta love filming. I'm not editing it out. See if I can turn it to where you can see it so it doesn't fall back off. And it fell back off. Alright. Let's just take the taste test. Still very warm. Make sure you let these cool down at least 5 minutes. I just pulled it off, plated it, do this taste test because I'm kind of hurrying to get everything done so I can get this video uploaded. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't be afraid to throw anything on the grill. Cooking outdoors is a wonderful thing. I hope you guys enjoyed it and y'all have a blessed day.